Hold on to your hard hats, folks, because the robots are coming. But before you start picturing a Terminator-style takeover, let's clarify. This isn't some Hollywood dystopia, it's actually, dare I say, exciting? A company called Figure AI is about to unleash a legion of 100,000 humanoid robots into our factories, warehouses, and maybe even our local coffee shops. Yes, you heard that right, 100,000 robots, all ready to work. Now I know what you're thinking. Are you suggesting robots are coming for our jobs? And the answer is, well, it's complicated. But before we delve into that ethical minefield, let's meet the mastermind behind this robotic revolution, and more importantly, the robots themselves. Remember, this isn't about robots taking over the world, it's about robots taking over the tasks we humans find tedious, repetitive, or downright dangerous. So buckle up, butter your crumpets, and get ready to explore the wild world of Figure AI and their ambitious plan to reshape the future of work. Because whether we like it or not, the robots are here to stay. Forget self-driving cars and robot dogs. Figure AI is playing in a whole different league. This ambitious company isn't interested in incremental advancements. They're aiming for a full-blown robotic revolution. And their weapon of choice? A humanoid robot aptly named Figure 01. Figure AI's goal is simple. Create a general-purpose robot workforce capable of handling a wide range of tasks, from stacking boxes in warehouses to assisting with manufacturing processes. They envision a future where robots and humans work side by side, each playing to their strengths. Think of it as a robotic buddy system, where the robots handle the heavy lifting, literally, while humans focus on more complex and creative endeavors. Now, 100,000 robots might sound like an absurdly large number, and frankly, it is. But Figure AI isn't just throwing robots at the problem and hoping for the best. They've developed a sophisticated AI system called HELIX, more on that later, that allows their robots to learn and adapt to new tasks and environments. So, are they crazy for attempting such a bold feat? Perhaps. But then again, the Wright brothers were considered crazy too, and look how that turned out. Let's meet the star of the show, shall we? Figure 01 isn't your average clunky industrial robot. This sleek, futuristic machine looks like it walks straight out of a sci-fi film. But instead of laser beams and world domination, it comes equipped with nimble hands, multi-directional mobility, and a battery life that would make even the most power-hungry smartphone blush. Standing at a respectable 5'6" and weighing in at a surprisingly svelte 130 pounds, Figure 01 is designed to seamlessly integrate into human environments. It can lift up to 45 pounds, which, let's be honest, is more than most of us can manage after a particularly indulgent holiday season. And don't even get me started on its dexterity. This robot can handle objects with the precision of a brain surgeon, although hopefully with fewer malpractice lawsuits. But let's be real, what good is a robot without a little personality? Okay, maybe personality is a stretch, but Figure's creators have given it a certain charm. Its movements are fluid and almost graceful, and its LED eyes light up with a friendly, if slightly vacant, glow. HELIX, the brains behind the bot. Now, onto the real magic behind Figure 01, its brain, or what Figure AI affectionately calls HELIX. This isn't your grandma's AI, folks. HELIX is a cutting-edge artificial intelligence system that combines the power of machine learning, computer vision, and advanced robotics. In layman's terms, it means this robot can learn. And I'm not just talking about memorizing lines for a robot stand-up routine. HELIX allows Figure 01 to adapt to new environments, learn new tasks, and even improve its performance over time. It's like having a robotic intern that actually gets better at its job instead of just constantly asking for coffee refills. Imagine showing Figure 01 how to sort packages in a warehouse one day, and then the next day, it's teaching its fellow robots how to do the same, all while humming along to its favorite Spotify playlist. Okay, I made that last part up, but a robot can dream, right? This learning capability is what sets Figure AI's robots apart. They aren't just mindless automatons programmed to perform a single task. They're adaptable, trainable, and constantly evolving. It's both impressive and, if we're being honest, a little bit terrifying. Like that time I accidentally taught my dog to fetch the TV remote. It seemed cute at first, but then it escalated quickly. From BMW to you robots are ready to roll up their sleeves. Figure AI isn't just building robots in a lab and hoping for the best. These mechanical marvels are already out in the real world, getting their non-existent hands dirty. One of their most notable partnerships is with BMW, where Figure 01 robots are being integrated into the car manufacturing process. Imagine this, you walk into a BMW factory, and alongside seasoned human workers, you see a team of Figure 01 robots working diligently on the assembly line. They're installing doors, handling delicate engine components, and maybe even sneaking in a quick game of robot charades during their break. Again, probably not, but a robot can dream. This partnership is a testament to the real-world capabilities of Figure 01 and its potential to transform various industries. From manufacturing and logistics to healthcare and even, dare I say it, comedy writing, the possibilities are seemingly endless. But who knows, maybe with Helix's learning capabilities, anything is possible. Robots versus humans: dawn of the ethical debate. Spoiler, it's complicated. Now for the elephant-sized robot in the room, ethics. Introducing a 100,000-strong robot workforce into our already fragile job market is bound to raise some eyebrows, if not outright alarm. Are we on the verge of a robot-induced unemployment crisis, where machines replace humans, leading to widespread job losses and social upheaval? It's a valid concern, and frankly there's no easy answer. Figure AI argues that their robots are designed to complement, not replace, human workers. They envision a future where robots handle the dangerous, repetitive tasks, freeing up humans to focus on more creative, fulfilling, and frankly less back-breaking work. But the reality is, technological advancements often come at a cost. While robots may create new job opportunities in fields like robotics engineering and AI development, they could also displace workers in sectors like manufacturing, transportation, and even customer service. The key will be to find a balance, to ensure that the benefits of automation are shared by all, not just a select few. The future of work. Will robots steal our jobs, or just our coffee breaks? So, what does the future hold? Will we be living in a robot utopia, where our mechanical counterparts cater to our every need while we sip margaritas on the beach? Or will we be fighting for scraps in a robot-dominated dystopia, forced to perform menial tasks for our new robot overlords? The truth, as always, lies somewhere in between. The rise of robots is inevitable, but it's not necessarily the job-stealing apocalypse Hollywood would have us believe. Instead of fearing robots, perhaps we should embrace them as partners, as collaborators in building a more efficient, sustainable, and hopefully more humorous future. Will robots steal our jobs? Maybe some. Will they steal our coffee breaks? Unlikely. After all, even robots need a break from time to time, and I doubt even the most advanced AI can truly appreciate the perfect blend of caffeine and cynicism that fuels a good comedy writer. So for now, my job is safe, but if you need me, I'll be hiding under my desk, just in case.